Hey everybody, Dashboard here, and it's time for Car Show Cam. And this week we went out to the Folkston Food and Fancy Car Friday Market. It was a new event, so there weren't very many cars there, but they're going to do it every third Friday of the month until September, I think. So maybe it'll get bigger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Well, it hadn't changed yet until I looked.
All the way down. It's all right. Yeah, it ain't very big.
I kind of didn't figure it would be.
Yeah. Crafters. Yep. That was about it there.
Yep. Well, I guess we'll swing back around and take some pictures.
Railside Lodging.
Yeah.
Custom Framing, Boutique Gifts, Cafe. Must only be on during the daytime and mornings.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, not much. Do you want to go back and park? Or not?
Do what?
Yeah, there ain't nothing there. That restaurant's full back there.
It's the only damn place.
Yeah.
Take a
Not much for food trucks.
Take a picture of that Dodge. Sideways? Yep, there you go.
Alright. Now, would you like...
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.